In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and rotate a north arrow on a sheet in Revit. We'll start right on the sheet where the north arrow needs to appear. In the project browser, find the sheet in your set and double-click it to open. This ensures you're placing the symbol in a sheet environment, not in a model or view, which is important because north arrows are annotation graphics that belong on sheets. Next, we'll make sure the north arrow family is available in your project. If you've used one before, it may already be loaded. If not, go to the Insert tab and choose Load Family. Navigate through the Revit library to the Annotations folder, then into North Arrows. Select a suitable family, such as a standard North Arrow file, and click Open. If you can't find your libraries, check with your team or content manager for your organization's standard content location. But for most default installations, the Revit library path includes an Annotations folder with ready-to-use symbols. With the family loaded, you're ready to place it. On the sheet, go to the Annotate tab and choose Symbol. In the type selector at the top of the Properties palette, pick the North Arrow family you just loaded. Move your cursor over the sheet and click once to place it. Choose a spot that's clear and consistent with your title block layout. Corners or near legends are common. And remember, you can adjust its position later with standard move grips. If your family includes multiple graphic styles or sizes, you can switch between types in the type selector without replacing the symbol. Now align the arrow with your project's true north, select the North Arrow symbol, then click the Rotate tool. You can either enter a precise angle in the options bar or rotate visually by picking a pivot and a reference line. If your project uses both Project North and True North, confirm which orientation your documentation requires. Since the North Arrow is typically tied to True North for geographic accuracy, use existing geometry, grid lines, or title block elements as visual guides to keep the symbol neatly aligned. If you need fine control, temporarily zoom in or use temporary dimensions and reference lines to snap accurately. Once placed and rotated, take a moment to nudge it into its final position so it's clean, legible, and not overlapping other sheet content. That's it. Your North Arrow is now properly added to the sheet and oriented to True North, ready for consistent professional documentation.